Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile with you again today. Got another unboxing video. I know I've had a lot lately, but I did have a review. If you haven't watched that, I reviewed the Roku wireless speakers and subwoofer. So go ahead and check that out. I just posted that on Thursday. But today I'm reviewing for you the ZVOX AV100 AcuVoice speaker bar, I guess you want to call it. And so I got this to take with me on trips to go with my iPad because, as you probably know, the iPad speakers are not very good. They're okay, but they're on one side, so when you do it in landscape mode, you're not getting stereo. So I'm hoping this is a stereo speaker. Now the reason I picked this up was because of its size and whoop, there goes the instruction manual. And ZVOX is known to make decent sound bars, but this certainly is a little guy, but I like the size of it. Now, this does have AcuVoice hearing aid technology in it, which I'm not really interested in that, at least not yet, but maybe one day I'll need something like that. But I just like the size, and ZVOX is supposed to have decent quality sound, so if it's better than the iPad, then that will be an improvement. It was $100, so it's got to be quite a bit better than just using the iPad. Here's your connections under there. This is it might be vinyl wrapped wood, but I think it's plastic. Yeah, probably. This is metal though, the front of it there. Fairly small, but hoping the iPad would just, sit right on top of here with a good case, the right case with a foot on it. So that's it. Pretty simple. Now, if this really doesn't sound that great, I'm going to return it. I'm not worried about voice clarity. I'm worried more about sound quality and dynamics. So let's see what else we got in here. Probably some cables and power. So here you have a pretty chintzy aux cable. I got a better one I would use. RCA cable, again, got a better one I would use. Probably don't need that anyway. Yeah, I'm planning to take this with me like when I go to my parents' house and I have my iPad for like a portable TV entertainment system. I tried those Emotiva, what are they called? The something like that. B52s. I can't. No, that's the date. Anyway, those Emotiva. 3Bs, and they had a pretty loud, noticeable buzz, even in the auxiliary jack from the power supply. So they didn't really work out, and they're super heavy and chunky. So I'm not going to be using them for that. I actually might sell them. But here's the remote. Just a simple plastic, but it feels up good quality. Those buttons don't feel too chintzy. I have a remote for my iPad that I could use already, actually. Batteries included. Nice. And finally, we have a thin optical audio cable. This is what you connect to your TV. The only options are auxiliary, 3.55 millimeter, or this to connect it to your TV. I don't believe it has Bluetooth to speak of. Certainly not HDMI, ARC, or anything like that. So it's this or the analog jack to connect it to your TV. But I will test this out, and I will get back with you. Now, of course, this is not a rechargeable speaker. You have to use the power plug, which I'm not too worried about that. I have rechargeable Bluetooth speakers, so that wasn't a concern. I just want a compact, lightweight, good-sounding speaker to take on trips. It doesn't have to be amazing or anything. It just has to be decent sounding, better than the iPad. So we'll see if this speaker system fulfills that goal. I'll keep you posted. Maybe I'll do a review in a few weeks of this speaker and let you all know. So thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my Patreon and buy me a cup of coffee. Link down below. Take care.